Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Princess Peach's, crown from the Mario movie. Let's get started, okay? It's gonna be easy for beginners, and yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a straight line across for the bottom. Cool, cool. I'm gonna pull up right here on one side, up on the other side, down, down, out over here, down over here. Gonna go over here, and in the center I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a circle right here. Circle right here for kind of another jewel. Circle over here. Cool, cool. And so since this is the movie version, it's gonna be there's gonna be a little bit more going on. So we're gonna throw in, it's kind of an amalgam of the movie, and we're gonna kind of turn it into that a little bit more. So we're gonna go over here, and I'm gonna start over here, and I'm gonna draw a swirl up. It's like a simplified version. Over here now, swirling all the way up. And kind of some similar swirls down here. So right here, we're gonna draw a curve like a U. Over here, curve like a U. Whew. And I'm gonna draw a straight line across the bottom right here to kind of give it a kind of that lip of that crown. Straight line across. Another line across. You can always draw another kind of swirl around this side as well. You want to kind of keep it consistent. Right on. If you want, you can throw a little bit of kind of like maybe some shadow over here, to kind of show that there's some depth to it. And we're gonna kind of fill that in. Let me know if you saw the Mario movie yet. I'd love to know. Hopefully you're doing great. Hopefully you're chilling out, having fun. Hopefully you have a kind of a lot going on. That's it. That's just a quick one. I hope you have an amazing time, and I will see you in the next video, okay? Talk to you later.